Hello everyone, welcome back to class. Today I'll show you how to adapt your trouser block pattern for the above palazzo using your trouser block. So I have my trouser block. This is my center front, and ensure it is fitted trouser that you've tested. This is my center back. I'll be using same method for that of the center front and that of the center back. So this is my center front. From the hip downwards to the hem, I'm going to rule a straight line. That is, I'm going to expand the side, that's the side, the outside leg. And I'm going to do same on the inside leg. Where I have my crush, I'm going to place my set square at the crush and square it down in this direction. When I have this done, all I need to do is to level up the hem, which is what I'm working on right now. You can see that it's coming out like a straight or like a rectangular box. Now I'm going to trace the later part of the center front, which is the crush, to the waist and to the side. Ensure to mark out the vocal point so it can be easier for you to identify the places, the areas you will need to increase the fullness. So in this sense, I've already marked my crush line, the knee line, and the crease line. So I'll say that you connect from the M down to where you have your that line. You rule out the knee length, and also if you want you can mark out the crush length. So from where you have your darts, you can connect to the M like I said earlier in this direction, so it will be much easier for us to work on. And remember, I said you're using the same method for that of the center back, because this is the center front, so I don't need to illustrate that of the center back to save our time. So now that I have all this illustrated, I'm going to cut out. Ensure to like this video, leave your thoughts at the comment section, share this video with your friends, tell your friends to share with their friends so they can be part of this family, and also remind them to click on the notification button in order for them to receive notification when new videos are being uploaded. You can always tell us what you want us to do, how you want us to improve on our tutorial, and if you have any pattern you want us to help you with, we'll be gladly obliged. Thank you so much. Thank you. We love you. Remember to like this video. Now you slash by cutting through from the middle like I'm doing up to the tip of the darts, then you open it up. So if you want, you can open more than this. If you want, you can open more than that. Depends on how wide you want it. So you can increase the fullness, depend on you how wide you want it. This is just to illustrate what it looks like. So you had your paper underneath in order to create the fullness. Then you blend the M in this direction using your curve to blend the M properly. Cut out the excess paper when you are done blending the M, and this is what it looks like. The lower part is wide, so you can apply the same method on that of the center back. Trust this was helpful. I'll see you in next class. Thank you. Remember to like this video.